Mathematics, the most versatile subject. A subject which is compulsory till class 10th and optional for those who are in 11th and 12th. I know mathematics is problematic to too many students and this subject is favorite for very few. Well, I look at mathematics as a subject featuring in my day-to-day life. I get up early in the morning, look at my watch, time, a form of math. Then I travel to school with a certain speed, covering certain distance, taking some time, speed and distance. All of you are targeting a great college. Great college is equal to great career. Great career is equal to great placement. Great placement is equal to great salary. A salary is equal to basic salary, HRA, some allowances, employee provident fund, and a lot of tax calculation. You still need math. And I know a few students are looking at mathematics, a bunch of formulas, where PA intersection B is equal to PA plus PB minus PA union B. Pandit Badri Prasad Harar bole. Or for that matter, you are talking about A plus B ka whole square, which is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Well, mathematics will offer you plethora of options. In fact, right from technology, which is computer programming, to finance, financial analyst, financial risk managers, aeronautical researchers, or for that matter, logistics coordinator, you need math everywhere. And to pursue a course at an undergraduate level, one can apply a BA or BSc in mathematics, which is a 3-year course, a BE or a BTech specializing in mathematics, which is a 4-year course, or for that matter, an individual can also apply for an integrated program, which is MSc in mathematics, which is a 5-year program. And to list down few colleges, one can apply to Delhi University, where you have colleges like Ramjas, Hansraj, Hindu. In fact, a student can also apply for St. Stephen's. And the reason why I am differentiating St. Stephen's to Delhi University is that Delhi University, other colleges will take you on the basis of merit. Whereas St. Stephen's is a combination of merit plus an aptitude test. Also, they will test you on an interview. So that's about St. Stephen's. Students can also apply for Chennai Mathematical Institution. In fact, this particular institute will offer you specialization with 2 different variations. One, BSc Honours Mathematics and Computer Science. The other one is BSc Honours Mathematics and Physics. A student can apply for entrance exam, which will lead you towards ISI, which is Indian Statistical Institute. Please note, you also have universities like Institute of Mathematics and Application, situated in Bhubaneswar, Banaras Hindu University, Punjab University, and Ferguson, Pune. Those were options of mathematics after class 12 in India. Friends, mathematics is offered under various specializations. Specializations in the field of actuaries, computational mathematics, applied mathematics, cryptologist. Now, what is a cryptologist? Someone who's analyzing and interpreting information. An individual can also pursue financial mathematics or maybe a statistician. These were different branches as far as mathematics is concerned. It's not just India where your opportunities with respect to mathematics will come to an end. You can pursue mathematics at an undergraduate level in University of Toronto, Cambridge, Imperial. In fact, NUS, National University of Singapore, also offers you a mathematics at an undergraduate level. Friends, I completely understand your questions are still unanswered and you want to know more about mathematics. Please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to help you. This is Anubhav signing off from Career Library. Thank you.